I'm going to be talking to you about a project called OOPS. OOPS, the open source, open courseware prototype system. OOPS is developed by Lucifer Chu in Taiwan and making courses available from MIT in traditional and simplified Chinese for anyone around the world for free. This is part of a larger initiative, whether we're talking about free and open source software and sharing content, or we're talking about OCW, the Open Courseware Initiatives. But beyond those two are what I see as 8 other flatteners of learning. Online learning and blended learning being a third one, just accessing courses online. The tools for searching and finding information from Google and Yahoo and other places. The object repositories and portals of information that we have that make content available online, but then expanding beyond that for personalizing one's learning with blogs and social networking software, or we're talking about collaborative communities with wikis where people are providing content online. Learning mobility and portability with laptops that we now have, the $100 laptop, and the podcast that we can listen to in our iPods or MP3 players, as well as virtual worlds and Second Life and other massive multiplayer online games. All these combine together to create opportunities for learning that previously were not there. And what Lucifer's done here is provided some impetus for more of that to happen. He's a charismatic leader and a caring person who's taken his own money to create a project called OOPS with a volunteer network of translators around the world who are part of this wonderful project. They are an exemplary project that is something that maybe other people in other countries will aspire towards. There'll be more such projects over the ensuing decades. But it's time to combine some of those initiatives together and see really the big picture here of what's going on. It's time to connect people, to have them share what they've learned from the respective OOPS-like projects out there. This is historically timely and relevant. It was not possible a decade or two ago to do an OOPS type of project. Lucifer's come in at the right place at the right time and provided the initial capital to get this going, and Hewlett and others are now helping push it along or nurture projects like OOPS along. It's a great cause. Perhaps one of you will be involved in an OOPS-like project of your own, or maybe will you be a user of OOPS, a translator of OOPS, or maybe potentially a researcher looking at the impact of a project like OOPS. Whatever it is, I wish you well, and I hope that you have a chance to dive in and learn more about open courseware, learn more about OOPS, become part of it, and by all means send me some notes on what you've learned from this sharing initiative. Thank you very much.